Today I am talking about popular destinations in the Balearic Islands, Spain, which are renowned for their stunning beaches and unique atmosphere. Among these beaches, Cala Tarida is one of the most famous and attractive on the Spanish island of Ibiza. Cala Tarida is located on Ibiza's west coast, approximately 15 kilometers from Ibiza Town, with easy access by car, taxi, or boat. Cala Tarida is known for its breathtaking natural beauty, with its fine white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. The beach is nearby low cliffs, creating a picturesque backdrop. The beach offers a variety of facilities, including the rental of sun loungers and umbrellas. Beachfront restaurants and bars offer a variety of local and international cuisine. Cala Tarida is ideal for activities such as water sports, snorkeling, and paddleboarding. The calm and clear waters make it an ideal place to explore the underwater world. Cala Tarida is known for its breathtaking sunsets. Many tourists gather in the evening to watch the sun set over the Mediterranean Sea. Due to the shallow water close to the shore, Cala Tarida is ideal for families with children. The beach has a relaxed and friendly atmosphere that attracts both locals and tourists. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.